Hello guys, my name is Grace and I would like to share about my meditation about the cosmic energy, the portal, and the universe is can hear you. Um, this energy is attract miracle, like like your power is awakened and this attract like miracle, healings and abundance and clarity and divine timing. So your soul is ready to transformation in silent began with the silent. So this portal is as open your true energy, and your thought is um, awake like a vibration. So yeah, when you see like a butterfly, you see like a cosmic energy, and the portal is your true energy, and your thought create a vibration. So vibration is very powerful, divine timing, and you got plenty of energy. So positive is always attract positive, negative is always attract negative. So you when you feel this energy and you change your vibration, and you will be you with this doing awaken your soul cosmic energy. So guys, always positive and always uh, be ready to your universe energy, and they can hear you. So miracle happen or healing or clarity or divine timing, especially the abundant. So your vibration is awakened and active. So let's stop this for now, and I hope you like it, my sharing, and thank you for like and watching. Bye bye. God bless.